Kumasi is a vibrant city, population-wise, everything-wise, the commercial hub of Ghana. And therefore, we have to push it now. The population has increased very much. We have all these transport vehicles, different ones, all moving, fighting for space.
Sure.
And that doesn't help with the economic development of the city at all, because everybody is clamoring going to the center. The buses are, the trotro, all these things are there. Right? But this one, we know the reason why we need that.
Sure.
Therefore, why can't we implement it?
Nyina se sebre no do nyamunya adaje na mo de hwe ene so ye da foforo enu nti yatena se na we de ya atadwe asanteman atedene atadwe Kumasi man ena atedene esanse ye ro santehene ko be refi asante kotoko hene wani World Bank ehie mu ehun nsem ye pi no o kan nsem pi wo mu ensam na nsem asabi wani World Bank edi hun komo na edoso ba ko a wo kan ho asem no eye ka kwani asadwumedi asabi se de ka eti bo peso ewu Kumasi ne ne mpotemu asabi yero sante ne ne nyi hu esa nsade efe ye ne fe na afen so dane da odwene na de hye hu ne ntino enhyehyɛ won de gu akwemu no na afen so wo kai wo won no edoso momie nkotie ebra ne yero sante ne ka kwani asadwumedi se de yesi ka esi bo peso esi hano ene ho nsɛm wo de to World Bank anim no momie nkotie mra ye ba ne yemfa ho nkyekiri mu ene enhyehyɛ ahodo a World Bank ne Euro Santa hene e de egu akwamu efa asanteman ho nsisi ho mra.
Kumasi is a vibrant city, population-wise, everything-wise, the commercial hub of Ghana.
Sure.
And so, looking at the project that you suggested, rapid transport section, I have interest in that. Yeah, I know JICA started with a feasibility some time ago, and then it's developed to the World Bank here, where we can then put it in fruition. It's been on the drawing board for some time, 2015 and all that. The bureaucracy is something that I don't like at all, you see.
Sure.
And therefore, we have to push it now. The population has increased very much. We have all these transport vehicles, different ones, all moving, fighting for space.
Sure.
And that doesn't help with the economic development of the city at all, because everybody is clamoring going to the center. The buses are, the trotro, all these things are there. And if you calculate in terms of how many hours that it costs to do business,
sure,
in terms of diesel, petrol, and all those things, you find that it's costing the economy so much that it's something that we may have to look at. And then the employment that it creates also.
Sure.
In relation to having a rapid transportation. The 28-kilometer one from Ejusu down to a Buakwa section, for example, if we could have that rapid transport and the movement of goods, passengers and everything.
Sure.
And then the ease with which we can do business together. It's something that we may have to look at seriously. I don't know what is the country director can tell. I don't know what has delayed this, but the project office, we should own it. It should be here. The project shouldn't be running from Accra when you have a project in Kumasi. The project unit should be here, and the project coordinator must also be resident here.
Sure.
So that at least the stakeholders, the district assemblies, that would be able to coordinate with them to know how it goes. So these are issues that I want us to look at properly to bring it to fruition. Because if you don't do that, I've always said that it takes time for the World Bank to take a decision. Bureaucracy, going to the desk of this one, approving and all that. But this one, we know the reason why we need that.
Sure.
Therefore, why can't we implement it? 2025 is about 10 years we've been talking about this. If we had done it earlier, it would have helped with the economy, it would have helped with employment. We have the available human resources. All these young ones are all university graduates and others here.
Sure.
We have the Ghanaian University producing all these students and all those things. So, in terms of development, if we have the infrastructure, then everything will be fine. I cannot depend on the politicians for my development. I don't want to depend on them. So let's have a social contract and then we do it.
Sure.
So President. So this is something that I want us to look closely and then do it. I don't know the team, but I want to meet the team after they've left so I know who are working on this rapid transport thing. So that we can take it up further. And then if I have to go to the Accra office for them to take you to Washington to defend, then we look at it and do it properly.
Jump.
So President, I hope when you go back, you allocate some money for that. So we know. So the country director can do it for us.
Jump.
I thank you for this visit, but we continue further with other discussions
Joe.
for us to.
Thank you so very much.
And some no near Kakuti Ediabano, and until ye betichum, na yet your mouth said Euros and the Hinekayano. Diana may can say, Euros and the Hinenensem near friend and Chico few question home. Say Nensem walker, no one coffee and Cotanasi and yon home one tassanoa. Sabi, one tear seer. And not near the hunchil de brown. And she mo Euros and the Hene what bangi she mono. Sabi a pono, and yen no musi pono. Omusi pono won fimpim yenune edu enumu. Na 2015 ene Euro Santa Hene ene World Bank ehiemu. Na dwumedia no mbedi ewo eya Santa Maya hinkuromu ye Kumasa no. Edi ana eda so no eye Kumap components. Kumap component no mu de hu nchichemu ahodo 9 programs na ye makomako 9 a omode egu akwemu a omode babaje kire eya Kumasa ne Santa Maya na asanteman so aye krabehwe eno to Kumap component no component 1 na implementation of BRT system and afenso so aye component 2 and also aye public transport industry and transition supporting the development of mass transit. Component 3 aye urban development, land use planning, institutional and human capital development. And after component 4, a project management, monitoring and evaluation. That component no, yefa component 1 the World Bank ni Euro Santa Henetina se share no. Se component 1 be ye. Component 1 no, ene se akwantempa ahodo se ehwe Kumasi a asante memu ye Ghana mfimfini nti no. Obi a wo kosirim wo mo konkran wo mo ko bunu wo mo konfante wo mo dodo na sebe ahanom eno mo nam enti sede ka akoni asadwumadi be yefo no ekwan ye deda eya asante memu ne mantam ahodo ne ntemo no ombehwe se ombeya akwantempon ne nyinara na afenso so eye nkwanhia bia nso emma ebeba mpo a aye ebeba fom ena afenso so no enanya hodo a esese eba asantememu eni Kumasi sanse asantememu ena ye second capital edema wo man no nso infrastructure development bia o man ni hia na nasa asante hia no nso omo behwese wo mo besisie ena afenso edanya hodo a akeka nwura mu a ye nsin wie no omo behwese wo mo besisi ni nyinara sede be ya ye Kumasi eni monyam no besa ababiem ena afenso be bia yididwa a nipehia a ehia nsiesie mapa no ombeye nyina akwantempon so no bebi e wose ye bibi di to wose hanom nipa gina twam aha de wogina twam enye no omo de sa ahyen so die nyina ebeba na afenso matoto ne ma amma oman no anase Kumasi ayefe eno na ye fa edikan e fa eto so emien se de be ye nso so a omo ye nyina awie nso a ebeboa ama bebi e wose ye pakeka ene ade nyina so ombehye nyina de egu akwemu esan se kweye kajetia Dubai originally no nanka basement no nanka honum nyina aye bus terminal esan se kane kajetia no na mfimfini nyina aye bus terminal ana na stores na atwa ho ahia enso so aban sesa ye baaye no baby e wosenka building ne basement nanka wosenka ye bus terminal no omodi adane stores asese buses no anasa cars ne gina bontia eno so Euro Santa ne ha ne pa se wo hwe na wo munye bibi emfamfa ho eno ntino component 2 no eno so ehwe kwan e be so esiese ye mpotemu na afi so edan ye si dan so a ye behwe ne yi kwan atutututum esan se ye hwe Kumasi kuro dada mu a ye kyekere ya eye Euro Santa hene ene na Santa man kyekere ya ye hwe kwada so ye hwe soame ye hwe bantama ye hwe ahembobo ano ena afi so ye hwe enkuro dada ni mu a krofrom ene ne dechem so a yehu sa dan no wo mo sisi a ekwan didadidadidade mu fefefefefefefefefe eno nte sa atoranchem bi si a enya afei na sebi ye ba bebre bia ekwan ne didam eba sa eboa ema kuro ne ye fe se atoranchem susu a dumgya adwumakuo no so mmre no mawura akakọ dumgya na na so maboa ama afoforo nso so eho atọwo mo eno nte sedi yetikyekere eye Kumasi kane no saa kwan no nso ena omo sa nso ede ababi mu de etoso bi mu no nso sedi yebesi edi yehuni ya kwantempo mu ye fie ye gatamu sedi yebesi ye ne nyina kama no eno nso so eka eye component 2 no ena afen nso so no ka kwani asadwumadie no nso ayefo ede ama wo bibia de etoso bi ma ye component 3 no eno so ye kwan ye fa so si ye dan esan se ye hwe kuro dadan ni mu a ekwan no eye usi udan ya kwan ne dedem e wo so oja be 20 meters e wo wanim wachi nso so wo meters e wo se wuja san so na wunche mu nso wo de wo se wuja e ba san no nso so a eboa e ma kwan ne dedem e ma nkuro ne ye fe ene ntin sa se foforo ya se sei nananom wotete no iro sante hene de nhihye bi egu akwan mu a se sei no layout no obia de dedem a wontimi enkoto wo entra ba bi so to ma ne tra edu ho no ma yebebu ne nyina nso ato agu ena afen so niema ebeboa ama nipa dada setena mu nso ayefo ama dwadi nso akoso no ne nyina nso ewo component 3 no mu ena afen so se yeba component 4 no a eno so dwomudwuma wo ba bedie baby e wo so mo betena se de ero sante hene di kan sere won se eni kwan se o mu di dwuma no wo Kumasi no mo te baby no se o ma hye ho bo so ma ba betena eye Kumasi na mu do mani asan ye kɔ ne nyina mu na ma hwe nso so aye no ma ye ne ye eno nti do ba behwe ama dwumadie na koso niema o mo behia de adi dwuma no ɛna afen nso so eye hu sikasɛm ene hu bibia wo hu hia de adi dwuma no nso so o mo de nyina egu akwan mu a ebia nso so sebi son sebi enya ado aye yiredi eno nti akwantempo ahodo mo ba behwe no eye free kejetia sebi ekọ ebu akwane ne potamu na sesu nwan kwan so no eno so mbehwe achuma eye achuma wo bieja ekwantempo ahodo ni nyina asai no ombehwe so mbeye ne ye ena afen so efri kejetia ekọ ofori krumu na ekọ tek nso ekọ enkran kwantempo so no so omo behwe na omo aye ne ye no ma ye ne nyina sede be ya ewuo dodo na esi ewo eye enkran kwan mu no so ase etimi atu ena afen so ye Kumasi potamu no akwantempo awodo biara esese ye no so World Bank ni Euro sante hene ahwa omode na nyina nso omo baba ye ama Kumasi aye krabehwe na se ye ka de na se Euro sante hene ade ye fe eye ne fe eno nti ebra eye World Bank Vice President wono ewo Western and Central Africa no Osman eye His Excellency Osman Dagana wade 2 euros osante hene ni mu no ene wo hyebo se bra o musi po emfie du no emfie dunie no na se emfie du no emfie du enie no ade so obehwe so de bedi dwuma yie pa na se de euros osante hene se pene no ne nsa aka ne sa pepepe eno nti wo kono enye ono nko coordinator sa sebi o mo hwe akire sesei eye KMA coordinator ena atwuma wo bieja coordinator district assembly coordinator ena afenso ofori krom eye coordinator omunyina eka World Bank empanyifo no ho ena sebi o mo kɔ Euro sante hene ho eno nti ye kumap component eno beboa be siesie asante mema kwantempo ahodo so ene dan ahodo e wo se ba asante memo ni ha siesie ni nyina omo ede be soma asante man no otwede mponyankopon ya adoma hwe be June bosome no ase bosome ensia edi enimu no ese ye wo bosome mienu mu me ensa enan enum ensiam June bosome no na wo mo efiti wo mo dwumadi enso ase eno nti enu se enu December na de na asanteman ahya ase se edane ba no we nyina ye kotoko hene ensa no eno nti ya atadwe asanteman ne Kumasi man nyina atedene de ebeto fom ne bro mbehya ase nyina so ye de baba besomo medin e de maame fosia makram